mass update facilities in our AP PIM can be highly helpful in streamlining and expediting process of managing your product information by updating, etc. These facilities allow you to make updates to multiple product records. So, here I am in the PIM. I can see basically I want to work on this and peak gain DB. I'm not going to use inline edit to do it because I want to do a number of them with the same values. So, and I can do multiple things here. So with the mass update facilities, you can apply changes or modifications to various attributes of multiple products at once. So, for example, you can easily update product prices, descriptions, categories, images, or other relevant information across a large number of products within our PIM. The features particularly beneficial when you need to make global changes, such as updating product information after a rebranding or price adjustment. So, it sort of helps you instead of you don't have to manually edit each record individually. That could be very tedious and time consuming. So mass updating facilities enable you to make these changes efficiently. Just going to show you the process now. So basically what you're going to do is select the row, check the rows you want to update. Then you're just going to go into the mass update menu, which is these three dots here. Very important, and this is one for an administrator. If the fields you want to update aren't on the fields, you need to add them, or an administrator does them, so you can use them. And effectively you'll put your values in and you'll save it, and the data will be updated. So let's have a look at how you do that. So basically what I want to do is this peak gain. I can see that it's a value. I'm just going to add loads with the value 5 because I've got a number. So let's have a look at the empty ones. So we just check our records just like this. So we've got 5 there. We want to do a mass update. So I've checked my records. It's these 3 little dots down here which will give me a menu, and that menu at the bottom you can see it says mass update. So it's brought me to a mass update page where I want to update the actual records, but I can see here that the field I actually require isn't actually on the page. So I need to add that, but this is for an administrator. There are lots of videos about adding fields to pages. So what the administrator is going to do is it's going to design this page object. That's going to find the field that we're looking at, which I think is this peak gain one, and we'll just add it. We'll just add that here onto the page, save it, and now we'll just add our value, which I'm going to do this as 10. I have no idea whether it's the right one or not, but what's happening is that we've chosen to mass update 5 total records, and basically when I submit this is going to just give us those records and put 10 in there. We could also just change other fields as long as the fields are on the mass update table. So we'll just submit that, go back to our file, and we can see that we've got 3, 4, and one more somewhere, which will be 10 somewhere in there where the file's been updated. So that's how you use the mass update function. So leveraging the mass update facilities in a PIM, you can ensure your product information remains accurate and consistent across your entire catalog. So that will improve both your efficiency and your internal operations and customer experience. So in our PIM, the mass update facilities are really an invaluable tool for managing and maintaining up-to-date and consistent product information at scale. And you can see how quickly you can do that.